This is Shushobhan Mukherjee from Prime Infoserv. Thank you for your attention. Today, during this section, we'll be talking about Prime Infoserv. So, we'll try to explain what Prime Infoserv is, what do we do, what are our offerings, and how we can add our values. So thank you for your patience. So, as many of you know, Prime Infoserv has started our journey in 2010. It was founded by seasoned professionals from various industries, lot of expertise, lot of industry experience. So till today, in our 15 years kind of a journey, we are focusing ICT, data center, and cyber security related services. Uh, Along with Prime, INT has also joined. So Prime Infoserv has become now the INT group of companies. So which brings lot of legacy on the 27 years of expertise, 800 plus professional, domestic and international locational coverage, and larger financial strength as well. So Prime and INT put together, now we are able to cover a customer's end-to-end digital transformation journey. Let it be digital engineering, software automation, and cyber security. So Prime Infoserv as a whole, we have 450 plus global clients, national and international, in national critical infrastructure sector. As an organization, we are very stringent on our process compliances. We are already certified in various certifications like 9000, 27001, 27701. We follow all the best practices as per certain guidelines as an incident responder. Along with that, INT brings the other value additions like SOC 2, CMMI level 3, ISO 27000 kind of a certification which focuses more on ESG side of it. As an organization, we follow PMP based project management guidelines, ITL based service operations. We have our in-house 24/7 NOC and SOC capability with best-in-class tools and teams where we offer our customers peace of mind round the clock. We are already been recognized in various industry forums, associations. We have been awarded, recognized in various forums, various media houses, various associations. Uh, as an organization in this 15 years kind of a journey, we have served 100 plus government and national critical infrastructure segment customers. We have incepted maybe 7,000 plus kind of critical threats. It has been focused with various skilled resources. You can very well see we have certified resources in ISO 27001, CH, CHFI, CISA, CISSP and all. So fundamentally, apart from that, apart from our traditional employees, we have our center of excellences where very seasoned professionals across the industry are also associated as our advisors to strengthen the entire pool knowledge. So fundamentally, these are the three pillars of our services. First one is governance, risk, and compliances, where you do various kind of audit and compliance services, which includes VAPT, network audit, web application, mobile application audit, secure code review, red teaming, compromise assessment. We cover various kind of process certifications like 27001, 22301, 27701, 31000, and many more. Apart from that, CMM level 3, level 5, PCI DSS, SOC 2, GDPR, DPDP, Act readiness kind of assessment, various kind of regulatory framework, not only Indian but also global. Like India, there are RBI, SEBI, TRI, IRDA kind of compliances. There are Middle East, there are a lot of compliances. US, there are so many regulatory compliances. That every country is now having data privacy kind of mandates. So we help organizations to comply with those kind of mandates and build their data security culture inside the organization. So other services like CISO on demand, virtual CISO, those are also there. The second pillar comes technology related services. So in order to create the automated response, the predictive visibility, so a lot of niche technology solutions are needed, starting from security incident and event management, next generation firewall, mobile device management, endpoint detection and response, encryption, data leakage protection, identity and access management. So these are the various technological domain where we can help customers to create best techno-commercial ROI with the best-in-class solutions and services in a OEM agnostic manner. Those are the spaces we provide our technology services. It doesn't mean always we provide these products and licenses. Rather, our focus is always on the solution and services where we help customers to implement, customize, manage this kind of solutions in their environment. So sometimes this can be supply installation, sometimes it also happens customer has procured from someone else, we go there and help them to custom build as per their heterogeneous landscape. So that's where our strength lies. And the third pillar is managed security services. With our platform, we are with our SOC, we help customers to manage their heterogeneous landscape, help them to comply the entire log management, their predictive visibility, AI email driven tools, using that the behavior analysis, and then connecting with the policy enforcers and ensure zero downtime, 100% compliance, and their peace of mind to safeguard their crowns and jewels. Fundamentally, this is our SOC setup looks like. Left hand side, you can see all the different heterogeneous landscape, which includes laptop, desktop, different kind of application, router, switches, firewall, server, storage, CCTVs, biometrics, different kind of databases, applications. So all those different devices are generating so many logs. So our log collector will be collecting all the logs in a single place. Using the platform, the threat intelligence, it will be correlated, and then the summarized version will be created with the classification of the vulnerabilities, and that will be, if we are connected with the SOAR, then the automated response will be triggered. On top of that, our SOC is powered by 24/7 resources and resources in multiple shifts. They will be also observing, discussing with the respecting customer team, and then extend the possible remediation plan so that their digital assets are protected. So fundamentally, we focus on this NIST framework only, where we help customers to continuously monitor, detect, create preparation for prepare for the protection, have their response and reaction strategy, continuously remediate and do the correction. So fundamentally, it is as per 27,000 kind of a life cycle. It is a kind of a journey. So where we follow PDCA kind of life cycle, plan, do, check, act. So we will also help customers to have their cybersecurity journey with the continual improvement so that they can go for the next layer of defense. So these are the few logos where we have partnerships. So most of the renowned brands are already in the list. Few of them are might not be present, but we have many OEM tie-ups and collaborations. So fundamentally, we work on an OEM agnostic way in our service and solution-centric approach to create best-in-class value additions for our customers. So these are the few of the logos for our renowned customers as per our testimonial. You can see in the financial sector we have various banks or fintech organizations, not only from India, from outside. Like you can see Nomura Research is from Japan, and the Hafshil is from East Africa, Bragg Bank is from Bangladesh, Woody Bank is from Korea. So that way there are various customers across the globe where we are able to serve their compliance and cybersecurity needs to safeguard the consumer's data. These are the other segments. You can see in every segment, let it be healthcare, let it be ISP telecom, government, manufacturing, every sphere we have a lot of customers, renowned customers, where we have helped them to not only to safeguard their infrastructure, but also to ensure the right strategy to protect the PII data, personally identifiable informations. Other segments you can see consulting, energy utilities, academia, manufacturing, every sector we are having a lot of logos, but this not all, there are many other customers also. So few of the key logos we have incorporated here, so to bring your attention. These are the name of logos for the few of the global clients. So already I mentioned about few others are also mentioned, like Nico is a European company, Procom is from Middle East, Penso Technologies from Brazil, 11.5 Solutions is from Atlanta, US, Ifat Motors is from Bangladesh, is from Oman. So that way there are a lot of customers and partners across the globe with whom we are working together and ensuring their protection in terms of cybersecurity. So this I have already explained in my earlier slides. So fundamentally, this is more of a recap. So with our legacy years of experience, both Prime and INT put together, we are able to assist customers with our knowledge, with our proven track record, credentials to safeguard their entire digital transformation journey, not only on cybersecurity but also digital engineering, software automation. So fundamentally, the value addition is as a auditor, we bring in a lot of vulnerabilities. Many a time, customers may not be able to do a lot of mitigation. So from INT side, we are also creating that story where our deep dive expertise, entire so many large team, we are also able to assist customers to the seamless mitigations so that the actual purpose of identifying vulnerabilities are getting fulfilled. It is not about identifying some vulnerabilities. If we can fix it, then only we can actually achieve our mission towards secured enterprise where we are able to protect our digital crowns and jewels. So fundamentally, we work on this security immune approach philosophy. Like during COVID time, you might have observed, like whomsoever is having comorbidity, he was only suffering severely under COVID syndrome because there was not much of a medicine. Doctors were prescribing about vitamins and other drugs in order to boost your immunity level. So fundamentally, as it is applicable for your health, but also is applicable for our enterprise landscape. It is not about handling the security or maybe the technology in a break fix approach. How proactively you can manage, how proactively you can build up a system so that our actual consequences, actual breach and other things doesn't happen. So that proactive measures using that predictive visibility automated response, that is our core philosophy with which we are helping enterprises across the globe to minimize their cyber risk, protect their brand, maintain the goodwill, and rise in their business. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Uh, in case if you have any doubts, you can get in touch with us. Our team will be always available to understand your pain point and give you the possible solutions. Thank you. Thank you very much.